Yes, package number 2. This one here is the extender that I had brought because I noticed that while we watching our TV in the bedrooms, such as our TV shows on our APK TV, it's dropping and doing a heavy lot of buffering. Yes, we have a massive buffering on our Wi-Fi. For no reason, I got everything extended out perfectly. It shouldn't be no issue. When we're in the room on our Fire TV, it does a lot of buffering. And as you know, Fire TV wants you to go ahead on and update their devices. And you know me, I am not too keen with updates. So this was the only option, and I am unboxing it right now. Alrighty, here we go. Option. Now off the bat, this is just the boxing. So you know they had to go ahead. I had got it from a retailer. So you know they had to use whatever they had to use to put in the box. But let's go ahead and continue unboxing. Yes. Alrighty. Right off the bat, as you see, this is a no-no. When you just got a blank box here and no box to represent the product, this is a no-no. Next time, TP-Link, take a picture, put it on the outside of the box so we know what it is. Here, this is a no-no. So companies, please stop doing this because this makes us not want to buy your products. So now I'm getting into the unboxing of it. This is my TP-Link TL-WA850RE range extender. Yes. This is what the product looks like. Alrighty, that's the product. Let's see what else is in the box. Nothing. So we just got the box. Okay. Here's the instructions. Always mandatory to read your instructions to know what you're doing and to understand what are you doing. Okay. What this is going to be doing here is when I plug it in, you're going to get your lights. This little button that I'm pushing in the middle, you hold that until it starts blinking. When it starts blinking, you come to your device here, whether it's your Xfinity, whatever gateway device you have, Xfinity, AT&T gateway devices, or you have realized and bought your own Iris, whatever device you have, Netgear, to have this on it. Any extended routers you have that have that WPS button on it, you push that button on this device and you push the button on the other device and they should link up together and you are connected to the Wi-Fi. Then you have to go set it up, give it a name so you know what device you're connected on. So the reason why, just like I said, I brought this device, if you are experiencing buffering in your internet, especially your Wi-Fi, and you're in the room or you probably on your devices such as your tablet, your phone, etc. You listen to your music and then all of a sudden everything stopped, or you watching the movie, everything stopped. Then that's frustrating. So you just go ahead on and turn it off and go to bed. This here will prevent that. So I'm going to go ahead on and get into the setting up of it. And as you see, I will be go ahead and give you my little last link description on it, what I think of the product, etc., etc. Also, if you don't want to, you can go ahead and connect it up to the Ethernet. But like I said, it's going to be sitting in the hallway or in our bedroom, so we can go ahead and get Wi-Fi connections in there. Okay. Let's go ahead and get up with setting up the product. As you see, I'm plugging it in now. As you see, it lights up. Once audio power lights up, that means it's ready to go. You got your power light. It's blinking. Searching for a signal. Now this button you're going to be hitting right there, that's your WPS button. You will be connecting devices up to it. I'm waiting till everything power. I got my wireless up. This should take a while here till all lights are indicated, a light lit up. So once that's doing that, okay, I got my wireless. It picked up my wireless network. Now, I'm going to go ahead and hit the button. As you see, it's blinking. So I'm going to run into the other device and click on the top button here. Okay, it's on. Because my Wi-Fi extender is on now. So let me go see if it's connected into the Alrighty, we are up and connected. So now I'm going to go ahead on and log in and everything and set the product up. Alrighty. Okay, everybody, everything is up and running with the extender. As you see, when you connect your extender, you will see an -ext. When you see that ext by it, that means you are connected to your device. That means your device is readable. It will, whatever your password is on your main device, you log in with that password only. So when you go ahead on and do that, you'll connect to your device and you're good to go. Now, if you're connecting to the Ethernet, you got to log into the internet using their website, and you got to go ahead and create a device name for it. So, but other than that, when you see -ext at the end of your network, you are readable, and then you go ahead and you log in with the password you've been previously using for your other device. Alrighty, I go ahead and give you my final conclusions about this device, whether you should buy it or not. Alrighty, on my final, I got to go ahead and set the thing up through internet, so I go ahead and give it a name and everything. Other than that, the product is great. I would recommend this product if you are experiencing buffering in your internet. Everything just stopped, and it takes so long to go ahead and connect. I will go ahead and put the link in the description below so y'all can go ahead and purchase it. I had purchased it off Amazon, but they had experience in their delivery, so they had canceled the order I was supposed to get from Amazon, so I went to eBay and got one off eBay. I'll be putting both links in the description below, so if you want to go ahead and buy it, you can go ahead and buy it. It's very cheap. It's under $20, so you can't go wrong with that. And other than that, everything is fine. So I want to go ahead and thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for watching this short video. I got more great content coming your way. And peace. I'll see you in the next video. All right.